For you, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is fine. Today I'm sharing a video about traveling insurance is better than health insurance or what. So before starting with everybody must subscribe my channel. So without any wasting time, let's start our topic. Global medical policies offer more coverage uh, compared to travel medical insurance, and because they cover pre-existing medical conditions, thus you only need one policy to cover you across the globe. Having one policy means you will save money by removing needs uh, to buy domestic insurance. And if we talk about the other some questions, here we go. What is the difference between travel insurance and global insurance? What is travel insurance? Travel insurance is designed for holidaymakers to cover cancellations, personal belongings, and emergency medical treatment bills. International health insurance is designed to cover inpatient treatment, checkup, and continual treatment of chronic conditions aboard. And what is the best global brand of insurance? Alliance. According to the best global brand 2023, Alliance has the name that goes leading insurance brand uh, for the youth 44-year uh, in a row, valued at 18.694 billion USD. The company holds 34th spot in the hundreds. And the other is what is the best travel insurance? If we talk about this question, all clear best travel insurance for those who prepare existing medical conditions. And AA best forever 50 plus and standard best for the customer experience. Just travel cover best for cruise holidays insurance को best. And कॉल करो उसको उस्मान को किधर है भाई वो आ जाता है. Which country is top insurance? The US remains the largest insurance market in the world, and we still have premium non-life and life. All US is over 8 trillion. So I hope guys you will like this video. Have a good day.